If your water heater is struggling to keep up, replacement may be the smarter long-term solution. At Glacier Plumbing and Hydronics, we focus on doing water heater replacement the right way, starting with an honest assessment of your home's needs. We help you understand your options, whether that means a traditional tank system or a high-efficiency tankless upgrade. Proper sizing, safe installation, and code compliance are critical to performance, efficiency, and reliability. Our licensed professionals handle every step carefully, so you can expect consistent hot water and long-term peace of mind. Visit our website to learn more.